In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on NinjaTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is you want to connect your data, and then you want to, of course, create your accounts as well. I have a demo account to showcase this over here. And to trade futures, you want to go to New up top, and then click on Chart. And here it's going to open up this new window. You want to click on Instrument, and then Select. And then here, where it says futures, you want to hover over it and select what futures you would like to trade. Okay, so for example, I'm going to select this. And then here, you can go ahead and set how you want your chart to be. So, of course, if you want it to be by default, you can just leave it like that, which I'm going to do right now, or you can customize pretty much anything. After that, click on OK. The chart is going to pop up for that specific thing you selected, okay? And of course, after you do it, let me just really quickly see why this is not loading. Let me actually select something else over here. Okay, so it's not wanting to load, but still, it's going to load for you, likely. And then you want to click up here, and then click on Chart Trader. And it's going to open up your basically trading panel over here. And then from here, you can go ahead and buy or sell market, ask, bid, whatever you want to do, the order quantity, the TIF. So of course you can set anything and then go ahead and start trading this way. Okay, so that's of course one way of doing it. And then you can just go ahead and close it whenever you don't want to use it anymore. And you can just go to new basic entry, and you don't even need a chart if you don't want it. You can just go over here, and then you can of course create a basic entry. Click on this plus button over here, and then you can just select the instrument over here again, futures, and whatever you want. There we go, and you can buy and sell this way. So that's pretty much it. That's how to trade futures. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.